Automation sounds like a big and complex word, but in real life, it simply means letting software do repetitive work for you, and that's automatically. Many people waste hours of time in every week by doing the same task again and again, like copying the data, sending follow-up email, updating the spreadsheets, or posting notifications. Zapier is one of the most powerful tools that helps beginners automate these tasks without any coding. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how Zapier works and how you can start using it even if you have never done any automation before. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link in the description to try Zapier and explore the automation tools easily. By using the description link, any available benefit or trial that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Zapier works by connecting different apps together so they can talk to each other. These connections are called the automations. For example, when something happens in any app, Zapier can automatically make something happen in another one. This could be adding a new lead to a spreadsheet, sending a welcome email, or posting a message in a team chat. You do not need to write any code because everything is done with simple selections and settings. Inside Zapier, each automation is called the Zaps. A Zap always starts with a trigger. A trigger is an event that starts the automation. For example, when someone fills out a form, when you receive a new email, or when a new row is added in your spreadsheet. After the trigger, Zapier performs one or more actions. Actions are the tasks Zapier does it for you automatically, like creating a contact, sending an email, or updating a database. Setting up a Zap is very beginner friendly. First, you choose the app where you can trigger. Zapier supports thousands of popular apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, CRM tools, form builders, and payment platforms. Then you select event that should start the automation. After that, you choose the action app and define Zapier what should do the next process. Zapier guides you step by step so you always know what to do next. One of the biggest benefits of Zapier is that it saves time and reduces human errors. When tasks are done manually, it is easy to forget steps or make the mistakes. Automation ensures that tasks are completed by the same way every time. This is especially useful for business that handle many leads, orders, or customer messages every day. Zapier is also very useful for small teams and solo entrepreneurs. You can automate the lead capture, customer follow-ups, invoice notifications, and internal alerts without hiring extra staff. For example, when someone becomes a customer, Zapier can notify your team and add the customer to your CRM and send a welcome email automatically. Another helpful feature is Zapier's ability to use the filters and conditions. This means you can control when an automation should or should not run. For example, you can tell Zapier to only run an action if certain conditions are met, like a specific country or specific product type or email subject. This makes your automation smarter and more accurate. Zapier also allows you to connect multiple actions in one automations. This means one trigger can start several tasks at the same time. For example, a single form submission that can update a spreadsheet, send an email, and create a task in your project management tool. This is very powerful and helps you to build the full workflow easily. For beginners, it is best to start with simple. You can choose one small task that you do repeatedly and try automating that first. Once you see how it works, you will gain confidence and start building more advanced workflows naturally. Zapier also provides templates that you can use as a starting point, which makes learning even easier. It is very important to test your automations before relying on them fully. And in the end, Zapier is not about replacing people, it is about helping you to focus on more important work by removing the repetitive tasks from your daily life. Whether you are a beginner, a freelancer, or a small business owner, Learning Zapier can greatly improve your productivity and workflow. So that's your beginner friendly guide to Zapier automation. If this video helped you to understand automation better, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to save time using these smart tools. Or thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.